Okay, everybody, welcome back to the channel. I got a few things to do around the wood yard here now. This is a bunch of walnut and pine, and that is some good burning wood. That pine dried out really nice. That's ready to burn now. I tested the moisture on that wood last video now, and it's 16%, 19%, and I've been burning it at home already. It's some really good burning wood, so I can have that to finish out the season, help me a little bit here through February, March, maybe April. But I got to get this pile loaded up and get it out of here because it's sitting on the ground and it's wet. It rained on it once already, so I want to keep it dry and try to take care of it a little bit. And then we're probably going to do a little bit of bucking here today. So while I'm here, I got my saw, I got the chain sharpened up a little bit, touched that up real quick. Now I didn't take the rakers down because I just took the rakers down the last time I sharpened it, and the teeth are getting down to be pretty small, so there's not as drastic of a change from the beginning of the chain to the end. You know, once you're already at the end and it's already down, I feel like it might not be as drastic. So I didn't take the rakers down, I just kind of touched it up real quick, didn't take a lot of metal out of it. So let me get this wood loaded up here, and then we're going to go ahead and do a little bit of bucking, probably some locust. Not real sure, but I got some oak up there near the locust pile, and I need to get that stuff out of there. So I'll probably go buck up a little bit of locust and get that ready to be split next time. The spoils of a nice firewood delivery job. You got plenty of that stuff right there. $11 rounds now. This is filling up the truck faster. Usually takes about 30 smaller rounds, and there was only 11, but they were about 24 inch. I don't know, somewhere between 22 and 24 inches a piece. Okay, I got that wood off the ground. I needed to get that pile of crap out of here. I don't know if you can see this, but that pine really soaks up the water, and that's some heavy wood. So I'll have to throw that on a pallet and just, it'll be ready to burn, probably within a few weeks really, but if I have to wait till next year, I have to wait. But you can see how much water that pine soaks up just sitting on the ground in the rain and the mud like that. And it will start to mold over the next few days real fast, so we'll get this up out of here, get it up off the ground, and get that rainwater drying up out of there. And rainwater dries faster than green wood, so that'll probably come right out of there over the next few weeks. But like I said, I can always wait till next year, but we'll just kind of see how it goes and see how it feels, and maybe test the moisture content on it. Now, the tree service guys are here, and they got a nice load of, it looks like some maple. I'm not sure, they just pulled in, but he is stuck in the mud over there now. So I might have to go help him get out of the mud. He is dropping his load right now, but he is stuck in the mud, so let's go see what's going on over here. Now, he came in right through the muddiest part of this damn place, and he's having a little bit of a hard time moving around. I could hear him struggling over here. And there goes the wood. Looked like some nice burning maple. Oh yeah, that's some, no, that's some oak it looks like. Some really nice oak wood. So that's what's going on over here. And I'll be bucking that up shortly. But he is in the mud, and I need to get the heck out of the way if he's going to be throwing mud everywhere. There we go. Not a problem. All right. Oh, we got another cable in that tree there, a metal wire. So that probably leads to a big eye bolt or one of those candy cane hooks. That's some good burning wood. Looks like some pin oak. You can see the stain in that from that metal in there running up and down right in the middle, that black staining. So I'll get to that sooner or later, possibly today, who knows. I gotta find something to buck up right now. But I'm gonna sign off here and get my chainsaw fired up. I'll be right back with you when I decide what I'm gonna buck up. All right, everybody, the tree service guy got out of here safely, dropped off a nice load of some wood. So now it's time to buck up a little bit of this locust wood. I thought this was a better place to start because you can't see, but I have a pile of about, I don't know, 10 oak rounds that are already bucked up right here. So I need to get the splitter into this area and buck that up anyways. I might as well have the locust done right here with it so I can get a nice full truckload. So this piece here it has beetles in it for the first about 3 feet, and these couple rounds on the ground have beetles in it real bad, but the rest of this is some good burning wood. So I'm gonna cut this beetle part off. You'll see me do that probably and throw it away. If you're wondering why, it's because it's just full of beetles and I don't want to mess with it. So hopefully I'll get some nice wood out of here. Now there's plenty of other wood around. If I need to fill in, there's some oak over here, but let's just go ahead and get bucking up. I walked over here. Now I could have drove, but for some reason I didn't really want to take the chance. It's not a far walk. My truck is about 100 yards over there, so I just walked over here. But the only thing is I don't have my cant hook or anything. If I need my cant hook, but I don't think I'll need it on these smaller logs. So let me just get fired up and do a little bucking, and I appreciate you guys watching. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like this video, share it with your friends. We got all kinds of wood. And I just did some recipe ideas too. So if you like food and you like wood, you're gonna love the channel. So I'll see you guys later. Okay, now I kind of got the camera positioned in about the only spot. I'm gonna be working down the log down this way, so you can just kind of get a lengthwise view. There's nowhere really to put it, so I don't have any helpers or anything. There's a big pile of pine junk right here, and it is what it is. So here we go, enjoy the show. Now, I forgot my gloves. I'll just do some bucking with no gloves on. How about that? I think I can handle that. That's why it's nice to have my truck nearby. I got my water and everything in there, but I can work for 20 minutes here with a chainsaw. All right, I can't stand it. I'm gonna have to go get my truck. I want my measuring stick, I want my gloves, so let me go run and get my truck. I'll be right back. All right, now I got everything I need. I feel better about that. Just get that piece of crap out of here. I've already looked at this wood here and it was full of beetles, so there's no sense in messing with it really. All right, let's get back to work now. All right, I got one in the mud down here, and I did tickle my saw in the mud a little bit, but let me see if my can hook can't spin this stuff out of here. Well, I might be able to do it. Let me get the can hook. Okay, so now y'all can see what I'm dealing with here. This piece of locust wood is buried up under this brush pile here. So, see if I can't just break it up out of there, break it off here, or spin it around. Yeah, that can hook is just kind of spinning it in place, which is fine with me too. There we go. There's not a lot of room to work with that 28-inch bar in here. I got wood behind me, I got wood over here, so, and it's kind of down in a gully on the ground here, so it's just, that's how I ended up sticking the tip of my bar in the mud a little bit there. Shit happens. Okay, now this piece, I don't know if you can see it, but this end piece I was a little concerned about. I wasn't sure about that piece right there. You can see the left side, it's got some voids in it, but it looks like it's some pretty solid wood. So I'll probably go ahead and split that. It is a little bit long, but it's not obnoxiously long, just a few inches, so a couple inches long. I mean, if you can see, that's, oh, actually it's not too bad. It's only 18 inches, 17 inches. So I'll go ahead and split around that. See, there's some good wood in it. If you look at the back side, see, you can see that whole left side is good wood. I'll probably just break that right side off with the splitter and make wood out of that left side. All right, now there was one little piece of locust over here, those two rounds on top. I wanted to get those out of there. That's some good wood. And they were sitting on top of this nice little oak log. So I went ahead and just made some nice bucks on that. And I'm gonna get that out of here. So that might be red oak. You can see the inside of that. It's hard to tell on film, but you see how dark that is? That might be red oak. There's a lot of pin oak and a lot of red oak out here, but So anyways, whatever, that's some good burning oak wood. And I went ahead and got that out of here. I just wanted to show you all that. So the next thing I didn't record it though. Okay, I got this wood out here in the light, and that is some red oak. You can see that. No doubt that's red oak in there. You can see the difference in that other oak. That's some pin oak down there. So that's some good burning wood. I'm glad I got that out of there. Now there is one more log over here, and I'm going to take a few slices off of that while I'm here. That log right there sticking out, that big black one on the end, is also some oak. So I'm going to buck that up a little bit too. That might be from the same tree, some red oak wood. We'll take a few more bucks off of that. So here we go now. Not an even cut on that piece of wood, but you hear the expression, let the saw do the work for you. I was just kind of letting that saw fall down through the wood. I can't get over there to it, but that'll be just fine. It's not too bad. All right, now I can get in there, so I can maybe take another buck out of that thing. I guess I should keep going while I'm here, and I got everything gassed up and ready. I can't stop bucking this wood. There's all kinds of nice little 4-inch around poles underneath here. That's all good firewood. Nice little red oak branches. And that is some heavy wood. Well, I'm going to keep going. I can't stop myself. This is just full of oak. I mean, there's so much good wood in here. I mean, there is nothing wrong with these little pieces right here. They're easy to cut, easy to split, easy to handle. And there's a whole pile of it in there. I mean, I could keep going. It's underneath this big, crotchy, bigger piece here, but there is more. So let me get this out of here and get this loaded up, piled up, stacked up I should say, into my pile right here. And I'm going to probably be about out of here, because that's more than a truckload of wood right there for the next time I bring the splitter out. Plenty of work to do with that. I'll see you guys next time.